All right, all right. Yeah. These chains are fire. Mhm. How are you guys? Good morning again. We're looking for U.S. dollar longs. I'm looking for U.S. dollar longs today. Big spike on the Japanese yen. Right. I'm gonna wait for more people to join before I start. I have a couple of good setups though. Oh yeah. How are you? I wait for more. How are you? All right. All right, cool. So, U.S. dollar long, shorts, I'm sorry. So, if you watch my Asian session market review, you know already about this. Sorry. So, this is what I was looking at, this line right here. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna make it white. Yes, and thick. There you go. So this is white line is what I was looking for. Pre-market, right? We are 5 minutes away until the market opens, and it pretty much played out to the tick, mate. It played out to the tick. So right now we are breaking below the Asian session lows. Hello, Charles. Yeah, I'm feeling better, thank you. Black and black and black. All right. So we are breaking with the good morning, Mina Nagi. We're breaking with the Asian session lows. Um, on the DXY, exactly what I was expecting. So I'm looking at Euro USD longs, my friends, but I need a pullback, right? I do need a fucking pullback. So gold still on a little bit of a drawdown. I came in early. I came in too early. That's fine. I mean, what can you do? This is a simple 1 to 2 that I have with the swing trading team. It depends on how volatile the open is for gold. Perhaps I'll let it run to all-time highs. I mean, mosquitoes are killing me. Hold on. I have a racket here to kill the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Yeah. Sorry, training season here in the tropics, and we get a lot of mosquitoes. So, on the Euro USD side, pretty um, good setup that I have. Now, 50-minute chart, we got now the liquidation of the Asian session highs. This is pretty nice, giving me bias, bullish bias for the day. Just have a look at that liquidation. Now, I'm gonna need price to hit to come back towards this entry, towards this level right here. There's a ton going on here, guys. First of all, we have an inverted fair value gap here, IFVG. I'm going to call it point of interest again because I'm not going to draw everything, right? But I'm going to tell you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this inverted fair value gap here that just got filled, by the way, and we have a new bullish fair value gap, right? I'm going to put my stop losses above, below the structure lows, below the Asian session lows, and I will target perhaps this liquidity spot right here. Liquidity target. The geckos in my house are getting huge. Cool. So, oh boy. We are seconds away until the market opens. This is a pretty nice 2.55 R that I have in my hands, long on the Euro US dollar on that play, right? This is the play. So I'm gonna place it. Oh, gold back into profits. Well, not in futures, but here we are back at break even. So gold looking very bullish for today. My stop losses were very, very wide, guys, so I was cool with it. I have a small $500 bet on the Japanese yen that I am going, I think I'm going to lower it, to just 2 contracts, long on the Japanese yen. Let's see what happens with that. I want to talk about that Japanese yen bet in a second. The Euro US dollar play, I'm actually going to go higher. I'm going to go to yesterday's New York session high as my liquidity spot. The market just opened London session. We do have some stuff going on today. I don't remember. I think that yeah, I'll figure it out. Hold on. Play in page. So we have retail sales from the GBP, from the pound, I was going to say. Retail sales out of the UK, my friends. Yeah. How's your health? I'm feeling much better. I'm still positive COVID, right? But yes, I'm feeling a lot better. Thank you for asking, my friend. I appreciate that. So, the Japanese yen bet, I'm going to talk about that later. This is the Japanese yen futures. I was also looking at possible Bitcoin shorts, pre-market, but I don't have enough data to play my, entry model in Bitcoin futures. So I'm going to keep those trades to myself for the time being. But let's have a look at the pound. Oh boy. Let's have a look at British pound futures and the euro futures. Oh, for fuck's sakes. British pound futures contract. So very choppy shit here. I hate it. And we have data out of the UK, so no go for me on this play on the pound. 6E, I think it's the euro. Let's have a look at this. I don't know if it's 6E. Yeah, 6E. Mexican peso. Did you guys have, what the fuck happened with the Mexican peso? Big drip on the Mexican peso right here. I'm going to show you overnight. Just have a look at this. Insane, right? Thank you, mate. Thank you, John. I know that I haven't had the best trading week, mate, but I'm doing my best, with everything going on. Also, I was looking at what? This too shall pass. Don't worry about it. The yen and the euro. I was going to look at the euro. Possibly. This is the daily chart. I should be looking at the 15-minute on the euro. So, because I do have a play here on the Euro USD, right? I'm going to use the Euro for the same play, right, on futures because I don't have US dollar futures, which is crazy, I know. But that's a big bullish candle in gold. I'm pretty, I'm sorry, happy about that. Warfare spikes, I don't know, but yes, this was an overnight, warfare induced um, move. So possibly, I don't know. Talking about the Japanese yen, I'm gonna talk about the Japanese yen. My play on this is a small bet on the Japanese yen that I have here. Only $387, stop loss. But if you notice, there has been two spikes, two significant bullish spikes from the lows here, with absolutely no data in the wires, right? So I am very much looking forward for this possible spike higher, right? And I have to use a buy stop because I don't want to buy at market, and I really don't have a deep buy setup to use a limit order. Maybe I missed it here around these levels, but I'm fine using that. Good mornings, using a buy stop here in the Japanese yen, right? Euro USD. So I'm gonna place this and send it to my VIPs. Euro USD. Playing this, of course, short on the US dollar, right? That I was looking at pre-market. So that's the play. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. We do have this spike low, which is the liquidity. I am going to place it a little higher than my box, right, than my point of interest. I do want to get filled, I'm done. Now this is another thing that I'm changing. I'm done, trying to snipe the shit out of every trade, right? I have missed a lot of money. I have left a ton of money on the table trying to do just that, right? Because, I used to place my entries right here at the spot, and then I didn't get filled by 2 pips. So I'm done with that. On the 50-minute chart, this looks great. So I'm placing my buy limits just below this liquidity spot. Really doesn't matter. I'm going to give you my exact position in here. 0.5%. Just a second, guys. Of course, I'll share it with you. Let's see what happens now. And this should be a what? I don't know. I have a 3R. Yeah, I don't know if it's a 3R. Oh, no, this should be a little bit higher. 3.2R to this liquidity high. I'm targeting these highs, guys. I am actually targeting these highs. So, yeah, let's place it. Now, this is a great setup, man. If you know me, I am all about round numbers. I don't know why. This is just, I don't know, a small OCD that I have. I'm fine. It's now, I just have a little bit of COVID in my veins. Yeah, sadly. Uh-huh. Yeah, I agree. All right, so let's have a look at this. So, what emoji should I start using for my trades? I'm gonna change that too. I'm gonna change that. So trade. No. Chart. Yes. I'm gonna use this. So this is a what? A buy limit? I'm gonna use this. If it's a sell limit, I'm gonna use the other one. That's cool. All right, Euro USD. It's a buy limit. I'm gonna give this for free too because the free group has not had the opportunity to trade with me this week, I think. Son of a bitch. All right. Yeah. Perhaps no. 3R. Okay. Yep. So this is the world of fire. I'm gonna give you a few minutes so you can actually copy it. I'm targeting the highs here actually, guys. Something like this. Yep. A little lower like this. All right, cool. I'm going to record. I'm going to record the. Do you have any questions? Does anyone have their crypto signals? I'm scared to buy since there are so many scams going around. Right, so yeah, there's a ton of scams going around, but if you are in this group, Learn to Trade Crypto VIP, that is Aziz. That is Aziz, our crypto trader. Yeah, you should be good. He has a good, um, yeah, track record. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I am going to, gold's just not doing much, right? I have a buy stop here on the Japanese yen, the euro. I should be looking at placing some euro longs. I mean, this is the exact same setup that I have on the Euro USD. So I'm going to place it here in futures too. Something like this. It's a 06 325. $325. Hold on, I can't barely see this, so yeah, that's much better. I mean, I don't know what I was doing to my fucking eyes. So 06 320. I'm gonna do 3 lots. Two. I'm sorry. Two. This world's of fire. Two. This is not lots. 2 contracts, and my TP 707115. So that's a 3R. I'm very happy with this. Buy limit here, and I'm going to delete. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to delete my buy stop here. I only take 2 trades per day, guys. That's my rule. So I'm in the gold, and I'm gonna take this Euro USD also. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Alexa, encende la tabla.
Muy bien.
So what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Um, Back at break even. Alright, so I'm liking this. Ooh. I'm gonna record the video. Alright, so I'm gonna go big. Right here. Alright guys, how are you? Welcome to another day training with the team. I know that you haven't had the opportunity to trade with the VIP group. But here we go. I'm going to give you this analysis. So this is the setup. If you want the exact, levels, just subscribe to my VIP group. But here we go. This is a Euro US dollar long, right? That I'm planning on getting involved. So if you watch my Asian session preview market, yeah, I was talking about this sweep, right? This liquidity sweep right here. This is the sweep I was waiting. And, this dotted line, I'm going to make it actually a straight line, was or is what I was looking for. And it's actually, playing out to the T. So basically, this is a US dollar short that I'm looking, right? After the liquidation of the highs, we got a displacement below these lows, which was my market structure shift. Now we are bearish. Now that we had the displacement above this double top, the liquidity here, and the sweep above this top, double top, the liquidity here, and the displacement below the Asian session lows and below the structure low, which created the market structure shift. I'm just looking for a pullback towards my zone or my point of interest for further downside continuation. Now, I'm going to play this, or I want to play this on the USD, right? On the Euro US dollar. This is a short on the Euro USD, so I'm playing a long on the Euro US dollar, right? What I want to see here, I want to see price liquidating at these lows, right? Coming back below equilibrium towards my point of interest. There's a ton of things going on here. We have an inverted fair value gap that closed here, but a bullish imbalance opened at the same levels. Also we have a breaker, etc. There's a ton of stuff going on here, and this is why I'm choosing this particular entry for my field longs on the US dollar, on the Euro USD, and targeting the highs of the move right here for further downside continuation on the US dollar, further upside continuation on the Euro USD. So this is my setup. If you want the exact levels, just subscribe. Yeah, guys, any questions? Let's keep on keeping on, right? I'm gonna send this to the free group. Hey guys, tune. If you watch my Asian session market preview, S&P, I like a video from earlier. You already know I'm looking for USD shorts. Now, I just sent the scenario played out to the T. To the T? I'll be there with you in a second. All right, guys, here's the setup. Mr. COVID has got your back. So what's up? Just want, hey Orlando, I'm currently in the Euro USD market. Just wanted tips because I'm a beginner. What should I expect? Right, so, sure mate, that's a good question. Hmm. So that's a good question. What I just explained. So the Euro USD market, right? Remember, this is not a market. This is a financial instrument, right? Here, there's two markets you can trade. You know what? And record this because I'm gonna educate you. And this is, I mean, if you're a beginner, this is going to help you a ton. So if you can record it, record it. If not, I'll record it, you know. How should I call this? I don't know. All right, so I'm in my live show, the London Open live show, and someone just asked me about, the Euro USD, right? You know, I thought to myself that this is a good opportunity for some free education, so I'm going to do just that. Now, first of all, when you are trading the Euro USD, you are trading a financial instrument. There's two markets that you can trade with the Euro US dollar. You can trade the Euro or the US dollar. Myself, I'm sorry, I don't trade the Euro. I only trade the US dollar and the Japanese yen. Now, this play right here long on the Euro USD is a play short on the US dollar. This is the US dollar currency index. This instrument gives me a gauge on how the US dollar is moving. So if I find a short entry on the US dollar, which is the currency that I trade, I'm going to look for a long opportunity or a long setup on the Euro USD because this is the financial instrument that I use to play my US dollar trades, right? So when it comes to currency trading or forex trading, you need to understand that the US dollar, Canadian dollar, the Euro USD, the pound yen, they're instruments, they're not markets, right? The markets are the currencies that you're trading with those instruments. And if the first thing that you do when you open up your charts is go from one currency pair to the other looking for setups, then that is the reason you're not profitable because what you're looking at is setups on financial instruments without really knowing which currency you're trading. And more so, if you're a beginner trader, there's a possibility that you are going to find the same setups on different instruments, but you will be in fact trading the same currency, which means that you will be adding to your risk on the same trade. So all of these things are very important for beginner traders, and you should definitely be careful. Right? More questions? I am more than happy to answer them. It's important for you to understand everything when it comes to trading because that's how you get fucked. If you want to record, like Jess here, man, if you have a question and you want me to pause for a second because you're recording my answer, that's fine, man. Just tell me on the chat and I'll oblige, of course. There's absolutely no issue with that. That's why we're here for. So patience is fucking key here. Now that I've placed my entries, I just need to be patient, patient, right there. US 100, please. Yeah, sure. I appreciate your knowledge. Of course, mate. US 100. All right. So in Q, all right? I'm gonna do futures because why not? It's the same thing, right? US 100. It's not the same thing, but this is far more accurate. You know what? I even pay for the data so I can show you the depth of market, but I don't know how to. You know what? Depth of market trading view because I do pay for the data in this futures account. So, um, um, it's a window that shows your yes, but how the fuck do I open it? Oh, I know. So you go here in settings and then trading and then what? Instant order placement. No. Chart, symbols, status line, scales, canvas, events. Fuck you. I want the bracket profit and loss in money. I love it. Execution. Yes, no, shite. Okay. So this is not it. Depth of market in trading view. Anybody know how to play it? How to play it? How to put it on the chart? I don't know. So, yeah, let's have a look at US equities because these are going to keep on, just bounce. Vamos a ver. I have a video on how to.
Let's talk about the depth of
I don't want to talk. I don't know. I know how to use it.
market tool on TradingView.
On
And if you look to the right side of our chart, you will see a real-time depth of.
There's a dumb button. Where is it?
Just beware those earlier comments from Reuters on the Iran side, just getting wider attention now. And again, no plan to retaliate immediately.
There is a dumb. All right, where is it? Does anybody know how to? Well, you know what? It's fine. I'll figure it out myself. Right, click the dumb button on the right toolbar of the chart. Right toolbar of the chart. Label settings, trading. Oh, I don't know. Doesn't matter. All right, so let's have a look at that. I don't know about this gold, guys. I'm gonna hold it. It's part of the part of the plan. So you told me, someone asked me about the Nasdaq. Sure thing, man. I don't know about the Nasdaq, but why don't we start with the hourly chart? Maybe even higher. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? That's a big order block here. But you know what we have done? I don't know. I do see more downside, mate, but I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You know what? The thing is that we are in the European session. Let's have a look at the E-mini. Same thing. We are in the European session, and I don't have a setup at all, right? But if we look at what has happened on the Nasdaq, we didn't even have a liquidity sweep. On the E-mini S&P 500, we did. So the one that I would play, in fact, at the open or the one that I would be looking for shorts would be the E-mini, right? If this is a, right, this is a liquidity strip, right? Here's that market structure shift, or this, right? Same thing. I'm gonna use this. So let's go through the chart together and let's see what we can find. We have a structure high because we have a sweep here. So if we have a sweep here, this is a protected high. You feel me? Right? So no need to go higher than that. So what the fuck? So this is a sweep. Right, this is a sweep. So protected highs, we have one here, and we have one here. Meaning that, in my opinion, going higher than this protected high, if price goes higher than this protected high, or this structure high, which I'm going to mark right now, this would be my structure high. This is starting to look like something. I'll be honest with you. This is starting to look like really, really something. So that's a structure high right there. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Boom. So we have that liquidity sweep right here. We have that structure high right here. Then we have another break of structure here. Very nice. Should be this low. Perfect. Break of structure here. So what do we see here? Hold on. Oh, you're still white? Black, I'm sorry. I'm going to change it to white. So we do have that break of structure here. Starting to look like something. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Nope. So let's see where equilibrium is placed. If this is the structure high and this is the structure low, we are above equilibrium. You know what I would love to see also is that daily open. A daily open, whichever. Oh boy. This is fine, right? All right. This is the one that I use. So this is the daily open. You know, in a perfect world, right, so you know what? I'm going to do some education too here. So in a perfect world, so yeah, let me grab some canvas. So let's imagine this is a, you know, a daily candle, right? This is the daily candle. Let's imagine that this is the daily candle, right? All of this price action right here that you see here is the daily candle. So the daily open is right here. This is the daily open. This is the blue line, right? Current prices are here, which means that this is the current daily low, right? And all of this is the bottom week. All of this is the bottom week, right? For the time being, guys, for the time being, right? So, to be completely honest, if I were to short this market, I would love to short it above the daily open, because this is how a candle closes. You feel me? This is how a candle closes. You know, if this is the daily open, this is the daily close. This is how a candle closes. So the farther away I am from this blue line, the farther away I am from this top of the candle, daily candle, which means that I will be shorting very late on the entire candle's move. So the best, I mean, if my bias is bearish, right? If my bias is bearish, I should be shorting at right now, right? I should be shorting right now, but I'm not gonna do it, right? I don't have a setup. But if my bias is bearish, right, I should be looking at this entire price action as a daily candle, right? Because if my bias is bearish, I want to short as high as I can to get involved on the entire move, right, in the entire daily range. On the opposite side is the same thing, but to the upside. So yeah, it's a little bit of another tip, right? When it comes to Terra aging, which is a cool tip, right? Because if you start looking at the markets this way, for example, let's put on the daily open indicator here. Where is it? I don't have it here. Daily open. So where is that daily open? Here. So I'm really going to buy below the daily open. So that's a cool thing, right? I want to buy below the daily open. If what I'm thinking about this being a bullish candle. Why? Because all of this right here is the candle's wick, right? Wick. The body is forming from the open.
Some Chinese data coming through here as the first quarter fixed direct investment down year on year.
Right, so that's a cool thing to understand. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't have anything going on other than this. But it's a cool thing to have at the moment. Now, daily open again. On the USD CAD. We want to go short on the USD CAD. We're going to go short above the daily open. So this is where I would love to go short on the USD CAD. So the USD CAD, the reason that I'm not playing the short side of the US dollar on the USD CAD is because of yesterday's choppy price action, and this market is very bullish. So I'm not too keen on doing this. Plus, the risk to reward ratio towards these liquidity targets is not that good. So I just have a look at this. It's not that good, right? In the sense that the market or price has gonna turn towards that level, and the risk to reward ratio from this highs. I mean, using the internal structure highs, which is something that I'm not too keen on, towards the lows, just a 2.23. Do you do mentoring? No, I don't. I will eventually, but not right now, mate. Sorry. Oh, I have a ton going on, so but that's a cool trick, right? The daily candle, looking at the entire day as an entire candle. That's a nice trick that's going to help you, my friend. I'm gonna watch some reels until you have some questions. Hey, did you guys see that woman in Brazil that went to the bank with her uncle's corpse to try. I mean, the guy had died like a couple of hours before, and she was trying to get money out of her uncle's account. That was crazy. You're welcome, Charles. Yeah, that was fucking insane, right? Fuck. Pedro, I forgot. Shit. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, fucking Brazil, right? That was crazy. So I need. This is something that I do. I always carry this tiny, because I need to, write everything that I'm gonna do down. So I'm going to write down right now that to schedule the thing with you, Pedro. Fuck. If not, I forget. But what? Where are you? You fucking lapicero. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that was crazy. Fucking Brazilian people, man. I mean, I don't have anything against you. Just fucking insane. You are one crazy people. I call crazy people. All right, so that's on my book. That's on my book. All right, so I mean, I don't want anybody to throw a missile at anybody, but it would surely work again with for my for my gold longs, man. But I'm fine. I mean, I'm fine holding this. I mean, I sure got in too early, like a dummy, like a rookie, like a fucking rookie. But instead of getting a 1 to 2, I should have gotten a what? Yeah. I mean, a bad entry changes so much, right? If a 3.5, I would have gotten out already about. I don't think I will be trading 2 contracts still. Yeah, I think I will be trading 2 contracts there. So, looking for this, that, and that, this, and that, and that, and that. So daily open also here. Right there. Yeah. That's. All right. So this is an example of that. Thinking about this on a daily candle. This is the open, guys. Now the daily candle right now is like this. It's like this, with a very small wick below and a huge wick to the upside. This is the actual daily candle in gold at the moment, although this is the wick. And right now, the body is about to grow, right? The body is about to grow. So that's why I should have waited for that price to hit the daily open for me to get involved long. But like a rookie, I made a mistake. No, I'm not feeling myself. I haven't felt myself like myself this week. Made a couple of mistakes, but that's okay. Just have another question. Do you think that EURUSD is heading bullish or bearish? So that's a question about the US dollar. That's a question about the USD, right? So here we go. This is, if you look at the left side of my chart, I have the Japanese yen basket on the bottom. Maybe you can't see it because of my face. And at the top, I have the US dollar. Those are the 2 currencies that I'm trading. So I'm looking at the EURUSD long because I'm trading the short side on the US dollar. So to answer your question, I'm bullish on the US dollar, on the EURUSD, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I've been live for 50 minutes. Again, thank you for joining me, guys. I appreciate you all being here every day with me. Some days, I mean, this wasn't my week, man. This wasn't my week, which is fine. I never have a 2 digit drawdown ever, so it's quite easy to get out of them, right? For me, at least. I have a tight risk management. So don't over risk because if you are following what I do, right? Not because you're following what I do. Um, you are assured that you're going to make money this week. You know, you know, I'm never going to tell you that I'm the best trader ever. Far from it. I'm just a dude that works his ass off, and has worked his ass off to be profitable. And I'm going to have bad weeks, and more so if I have fucking COVID. So don't over risk, man. I mean, risking 0.5% per trade to 1% per trade is more than enough to make a living on a big enough account. The idea is to get funded. Just get funded, right? And you'll be all right. So Pedro, thank you again. Sadri, the wet, thank you, appreciate it. Sandri, you're welcome. And I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully completely negative. Remember, Ryan Garcia and David Haney fights is on Saturday. So don't miss that one because that is going to get crazy. You're welcome, Jess. You're welcome. Also, if you want to subscribe to my VIP channel, the link is below, or on the group that I always send. And also, guys, subscribe to the channel, to the YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me a ton. So again, I'll see you on Monday. Cheers.